Can I get a beer, please, Steve?
Sure, Owen.
It's a protective helmet. I got a concussion from that little prank a med played on me, so I have to wear this to protect my now. So go ahead, fellas. Laugh it up. Make fun of stupid Owen.
Hey, we're your friends. We're not going to make fun of you. But if the other sperm come in here looking for you, where should we tell them you are? I'm sorry. We're done.
Yep.
Absolutely. Yeah. So, Owen, what time are you getting shot out at the cannon?
That's it. I'm done with you guys.
Come on, Owen. We're just joking around.
Hey, look, it's a walking tampon.
Why is the joke always on me?
Because it's so easy.
Yeah, but I'm sick of it. I'm tired of being everyone's target.
Owen, you want me to be honest with you? You kind of ask for it.
Do not.
Well, you don't fight your own battles. You don't stick up for yourself.
You're lucky my mom didn't hear you say that.
Owen, focus. For a minute. Who you really mad at?
I'm mad at a med for putting a spider in my peanuts.
Exactly, so get him back.
But how? He's a powerful and successful tow truck driver.
Owen, come on, you know what to do. He gives you a wedgie, you give him a swirly. He gives you a pink belly, you give him a titty twister. That's the Pittsburgh way.
Yeah, I'm from Pittsburgh. I can do that.
Of course you can, Owen. You're just as smart as they are. You just need to put on your thinking cap.
You're right. I'm sick of being the butt of everyone's joke. For once, I just want to get one over on you guys.
Hey, Owen, does that thing vibrate?